Hey gardeners, how is the garden growing? In today's video, I'll be focusing on rose maintenance, and this is really important because when it comes down to roses in general, they're very beautiful flowering shrubs, and I recommend every garden to have it. However, there is things a gardener should stay on top of maintenance-wise when it comes down to roses. Now, I'll be covering the three main points you need to do when it comes down to rose maintenance in this video, so just stick around and we'll go around the garden and start cleaning up every single rose bush I have. So we're gonna start off here in this section with my line of Juan Pablo roses. Now, you can kind of get a glimpse of what the flower looks like. It's a standard white fragrant rose that is perfect in the garden. But if you take a look also that it has not been deadheaded and is starting to push out lots of new growth. Now, this is something every gardener has to stay on top of when it comes down to their rose bushes because there's many benefits to deadheading. Once the spent blooms are removed, the plant will start sending energy towards new growth, which then leads to more flowers and an overall healthy rose bush. All you have to do is find the spent bloom and cut it off the rose bush. Deadheading is really important with your rose bushes because not only does it help with flowers and helps with new growth, but overall it helps the plant look more cleaner and more nicer. So you're able to enjoy more blooms and the gorgeous fiery red new growth without anything in its way. Now here is my favorite rose bush in the entire garden thus far, which is the Sunshine Daydream Grandiflora Rose. Apart from deadheading and pruning, which are one of the most important things to do when it comes down to roses, watering is the second most important thing to do. This rose bush has been thriving because it's been receiving so much water these past few weeks compared to the other rose bushes I have scattered around the garden. I would recommend giving them water up to 3 times per week depending on how your forecast is looking like. For example, here in South Florida, I water all my roses 2 times per week, so it might be more depending on how more wet or drier your climate or area is. And of course, one of the main things that I always talk about when it comes down to choosing roses in the garden is to always choose varieties you know you'll fall in love with. But always keep in mind that just because you plant it in the garden, it doesn't have to stay there forever. There's thousands of varieties of roses for you to choose from, so go out, experiment, try some fun varieties, but try to stick to a palette that you know you will enjoy. Roses love supplemental nutrients. In comparison to other flowering shrubs, they have to be deemed one of the most heavy feeders. And let's face the reality, in order for them to give you constant blooms and these huge, gorgeous, breathtaking flowers, you have to feed them right too. Now, I feed my roses with earthworm castings about once every month or two, and the reason why I feed so frequently is because earthworm castings are not that concentrated nor that powerful, in other words. Compared to other industrialized fertilizers that could last up to 3 months, I would always stick to organic matter, which is what's best for roses, and my roses are always happy with the feeding I give them, so it's a win-win. But you could feed them with whatever you have on hand or you have experience using. Whole point is make sure you feed them roses so they can stay happy and they can flourish in your garden. Leave me in the comment section down below what are some things you do to keep your roses nice, tidy, and flourishing in your garden. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification button so you don't miss any type of videos that I may be releasing in the near future. And thank you all so much for watching this video. May God bless you and your entire family, and I will see you guys next time. Grow big, Ultimate Gardeners.